man. Man, oh man. Jesus, let us all get home safe.
Amen.
Man, it just keeps getting thicker. Visibility up ahead is really bad too. Oh, careful, careful, truck. That truck's having a lot of problems.
They got some weight on their ass.
Oh, that one's stuck in the parking lot. Wow, we got cars stuck over on the side of the road. Hey, buddy, we kind of were in the middle of the road there. Dick.
It's alright. I'm not begrudging anybody that thinks they can do better than I'm doing.
Walking in a winter wonderland. No, we're not on the mile of cars, are we? I'm gonna start singing. Ooh, Norman. Wow. Like you can hardly see the buildings over there. All these people. Oh no, he's stuck too. All those people trying to get out of the parking lot. Oh, come on, let's not get stuck in the snow, guys.